course, we need a nice hot wash. Where better to do that than in the shower? And my darling wife, she's a keeper. She knows that I needed to clean this out, get rid of all the last traces of oil. This is the intercooler. And yeah, she said, go on, do it in the shower. Be nice and hot and it'll drain straight away. Can't ask for a better woman than that. Love you, babe. Alright, a bit more progress today. Radiators are off. They might come through and degas the aircon for us. And just about ready for motor out. I'm still figuring out how to remove the other half of the gear linkage. One side had a spring clip which came off easy enough. The other side is a ball that's looking pretty solid, so I don't think that's going to come out. There's a clip there, there's a clip there. Down the back there's the clutch slave cylinder still held on there. Free at the bottom. So pretty much we've got 2 drive shafts and 2 engine mounts holding it in place, and that should be everything, I think. I'll pull this box up and out, I think. Maybe, don't know. It might be more hassle than it's worth. But yeah, fun times. Big pile of stuff down there. Building. Okay, so we're just working on the coupling here, which is the rear drive shaft. So there's a flex coupling here. We've got a chain wrench holding the flex coupling, and I'm just using a 50mm wrench just to undo that. There's been a couple of guys on YouTube that have been doing this job as well, but yeah, 50mm is what you need. We were originally thinking we'd have to make a star socket to hold the diff in place, but the chain lock has definitely done the job there. And of course we've marked on the UJ, on the star, and also on the hex when we first started undoing it. Just in here there's a lip seal and a cover that snaps over in that gap there, so they'll go back on once it's tight. There's a high pressure grease inside there, which is what allows this to rotate with this, and this is probably part of something else deeper inside there. Happy fun times. Might even be done. That's off. So there's a spline shaft inside there, and that's just a collar nut that tightens up in it. Joyous. Alright, there we go. Let's not forget to put those back on, hey? Disconnect the fuel lines down under here. There's just 2 press to release clips there and there. They'll come forward with the motor up into that section. Steering and the drive shafts have got enough room to flap around. That looks a little bit flimsy there. Should I raise that? What do you reckon? 2 bolts and save it from being a problem for later? I think so. So I'll pull those off. Must be a body roll. Only got it on one side. It's curious. Might touch up some of this with rust, just with paint. Scary. Alright, YouTube, money shot. We're getting ready to close this bitch up and out. Well, out anyway, so we can get to the DPF. It needs to come forward 6 inches. We should have that much clearance on the assorted bits. Here we go. That's what a fuck DPF looks like. And that's what a not fucked spare is meant to look like, except it's different. Motherfuckers. Alright, so temporarily wise, we've got the mountings back on, engine back in place, just to take the load off the chain and the hoist. Now I've got to figure out what to do with the DPF. These are interesting, as are all of the coolant clips. They're all just push-on, snap-on fittings. Two.